Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. This is just an unboxing video of my new to me Citizen Pocket TV that I purchased off eBay. Well, I just opened the top, so let's see what we have in here. Looks like it was packed quite well. This came from the States and I'm in Canada. So there it is. It's a Citizen Pocket TV for use everywhere. The original price is $197.95. Just a little view of the box. So it has the 2.7-inch LCD screen, VHF, UHF, AM radio. It has a new light reflective system, so it's a little easier to see the TV screen. And a nice thing, it has a built-in video input, 4-way power supply, earphone. Those are the pictures of the different optional accessories. Next thing is I'm just going to take it out of the box. It's inside. Alright, so we have some important information about your new Citizen Pocket television. And don't forget that these came out in the 80s. And the handling manual. And very importantly, I have my warranty paperwork in case I have any issues. And when I purchased this, I was told that it is brand new, never used. And it actually looks that way. That's the case for your headphones. Little plug, AC power supply, and it's a little tie that goes on there if you want to hang it off your pants or whatnot, like a little wrist strap. So let's get her out of the package. So this is what it looks like out of the package. You can see your off TV radio switch, your AM tuner right there. There's the back. And again, it's model number 03TA-0A, and it takes 4 AAA batteries. On the side, there's your volume, your brightness, and your earphone jack. Again, your antenna. That's where you put your wrist strap, and that's where you can put your exterior antenna and your video in and your DC plug. In order to use this, you got to press the button on the front, which opens up the screen, and just like that. And what I'm going to do is plug it in and give it a try here. Right now we're not able to get any channels through the air, but it works. Let's try it on the radio settings. And so the radio works and the TV works. And again, when I bought this, I was told that it was brand new, never used, and it certainly looks that way. Includes all the manuals, all the accessories still in the original package. I was told that it was only open to take the pictures for eBay, and even when I look at this Pocket TV, it looks brand new. There's not one scratch or fingerprint on it. So I connected my Nintendo Entertainment System to the Pocket TV. As you can see, it's plugged into the external antenna. I had the adapter from one of my other videos. It came from my Ghetto Blaster with a mini TV in it. So as you can see, it works. It's a little hard to see on video, but Super Mario is showing up on the screen. And there's Super Mario Bros. And of course, I'm just doing a quick demo just to show you how it works, but seems to work okay. Like I said, it's a little more clear in person than you can actually see it on video. But what happens is the screen's actually on the top, and it reflects down onto it's almost like a mirror. But the sound's good, and it's has very good video quality. I don't see any dead pixels on it. I can just hit the reset. Anyways, guys, it's just a short video of my little Citizen pocket television. As you can see from the outside, you can see through it a little bit through the screen, but once it's opened up, it's so much better quality. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Just a short video again of my Citizen pocket television and AM receiver. Again, I purchased it off eBay from the original owner, whom stated that it was brand new, and judging by the contents in the box and the overall appearance of the Pocket TV, I would say it is. So it's a nice little gem to add to my collection. Thanks for watching, and if you like this type of video, you may want to consider subscribing. Have a great day and stay safe.